Yeah, they work hard, none of them be key kind. And they so fine, shawty dripping like now. Body like water, straight from Nkauj. Got my chest beating, strong as heart of mine. Dancing on tables, getting drinks on. Shots from a navel, yelling my dad. This how the oceans get in the club. All about Henny and all about love. I can't get enough of these girls. What would I do to wear in my world? Probably nothing that's exciting. It's a damn shame, cause this one's alive with girls. Pretty and proud girls. Straight from the south with girls. And holding it down, girls. This one's alive with girls. Fun to really die. Sometimes I'll get your vibe. Not that y'all couldn't fight. This one's alive with girls. Fun to really die. Sometimes I'll get your vibe. Not that y'all couldn't fight. Say, oh, the way you fought, I'm gon' spend some money on that. I'm gon' spend some money on that. I'm gon' spend some money on that. Cause imagine if I never knew about you girls. It's like a world with no flowers. You in the rain to my sunshine. When I'm salty, my white rice. I can't get enough of these girls. What would I do to wear in my world? Probably nothing that's exciting. It's a damn shame, cause this one's alive with girls. Pretty and proud with girls. Straight from the south with girls. And holding it down, girls. This one's alive with girls. Fun you really got. Some nights I'll get your vibe. Not that y'all couldn't fight. This one's alive with girls. Fun you really got. Some nights I'll get your vibe. Not that y'all couldn't fight. Alright, I want everybody to put their hands in the air. And I want you to pinch your fingers like this. And I want you to just follow me, okay? Now twirl your hands like this. Then twirl your hands like that. Then twirl your hands like this. Then rock and move them hips. Now come and follow me. Say come and follow me. Say come and